There are a couple species that have shown up since our habitat work got started that have kind of been surprises for us. They're supposed to be in the area, but one is a least weasel. So a weasel, it's the least of the weasel species, so it's the smallest one. And we found one on the property 3 years ago, and that was a record for the county here in the state. So they had not been observed in Mercer County until after we had done this project. So that's something that we think that was probably here, but was able to be in more abundance where we could actually spot one. Another is bobcat. So it's traditionally bobcat have been up along the Kentucky River, but we've seen more bobcat activity here within the last 4 years than we have any year previous to that. So bobcats are going to be anywhere between 25 to 30 pounds, and they're just a super house cat essentially. So that's again very elusive, very seclusive, but we've gotten them on wildlife cameras, and then we've had actual visual sightings of them while being out on the property as well. Other than that, it's really everything that is supposed to occur in this area has occurred in this area. And with our big focus being on grassland songbirds, our henslow sparrows, grasshopper sparrows, and bobolinks are 3 grassland bird species that have occurred here in more abundance on the property since we've been doing our habitat work.